There's a new comber on the GxpManager platform, the Spreadsheet field. With this new feature, we are able to implement any kind of spreadsheet on your forms, like you would have on Microsoft Excel, but with the traceability and approbations on top. Here, we have chosen the 96 wells ELISA plate example to illustrate the feature. Our functional experts can elaborate a spreadsheet template just as you want, with mandatory or optional cells and columns. Some units can be defined by default. We can also prevent data to be entered on some cells if needed. And of course, the data can be reviewed, approved and locked with a customized approbation workflow. That way you can eradicate Excel on your critical data. We build the table representing the 96 wells on an ELISA plate in the design tool. Then, we apply the rules such as unit types, obligation or not to input data in a given cell of your table or default values. That way, all combinations are possible and the only limit is your imagination. The operators can then create records on the web interface, type in their critical data in the ELISA plate representation, per well and potentially in several times. They can then create and start an approbation workflow and the record can be reviewed by another person to finally be approved and ensure the data remains unchanged. This workflow contains two steps, creation and approbation. But here again, anything is possible, from the number of steps to the number of signatories or signatory groups.